I graduated with a 4-year degree and I couldn't find a job. When I came here, that's all they talked about. I felt like the instructors cared more about you getting a job when you were done here, and they wanted to see you succeed.
The Advanced Manufacturing career pathway has in it a Mechatronics and Industrial Controls program, as well as a Welding Technology program. Our graduates are usually 100% placed and can command upwards of $50,000 a year to start. And I don't know of too many industries where education and training can lead to a salary that high.
When I graduate from this program, I will be starting as a full-time welder. Without coming here and learning how to weld, I would probably still be jobless. That's changed my life.